Hi, my name is Virgil Wiedemann, and I am very pleased to be serving as the current president of the Union R11 School District Board of Education. I want to thank you in advance for the time you take to watch this brief informational video, because it will better explain why the district is placing a $35 million general obligation bond issue on the ballot this April. The board members, following the recommendation of the administration and the community, unanimously supported the decision to present this financing proposal to the voters. One of the key features of the bond issue is that it is estimated to not increase taxes over the current $1.05 debt service fund levy. This is possible because the district has the ability to structure the new bonds to best match its revenue stream with anticipated payments using conservative growth assumptions. Following this plan, the debt service fund levy is extended by 7 years. Others involved in the creation of these proposals will now share more of the details to hopefully answer your questions, beginning with our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Mike Mabe.
Thank you, Dr. Wiedemann, for the introduction. I am Dr. Mike Mabe, and I am pleased to serve as the district superintendent. Please recognize that the board proposal at the April 8th, 2025 election is a result of many months of planning by the board and administration of the district. Although the district funds many of the maintenance and repairs from within its operating fund budget, there simply isn't enough money to also complete the larger capital projects such as an early childhood center and storm shelter. This is why most of the items in Proposition K.I.D.S, which stands for Keep Improving District Schools, is for the construction of an early childhood center and storm shelter at Central Elementary, the remediation of drainage issues and playground improvements at Beaufort Elementary, the replacement of roofs throughout the district, repaving parking lots, and prepaying lease financing to shift the payment source from operations to debt service. An important factor to consider is that there are no programs presently available for the state of Missouri or the federal government that produce upfront funding to assist local school districts for making facility improvements or new construction. It is the total responsibility of the taxpayer of each district to seek voter approval for general obligation bonds to fund these types of projects. We are fortunate that we can accomplish all of the improvements with approval of the $35 million bonds without the need to increase the current debt service fund levy.
Hi, my name is Scott Hazlett, the principal in charge for HTK Architects involved in this planning process. Through observations and discussions with the district, it became apparent that the facilities needs were too complex for the district to address internally. As Dr. Mabe noted, the construction of an early childhood center, a storm shelter at Central Elementary, remediating drainage issues, and improving the playground at Beaufort Elementary, placing roofs, and repaving parking lots will require a team of experts to comply with the building codes and bring the projects to fruition.
Hi, my name is Dr. Kendra Fennessy, and I am the Assistant Superintendent for Curriculum Instruction and Assessment for our school district. As mentioned by both Dr. Mabe and Scott, the construction of a new early childhood center is one of the key projects for our bond issue. Our goal is to expand the educational opportunities to our youngest population and future Wildcats. The new early childhood center would allow for multiple preschool classrooms to be housed in one building. This will provide for more flexibility with programming and room for future growth and expansion to meet the needs of our growing community. Additionally, the new building will have a storm shelter and multi-purpose space that can be used for indoor recess and other types of instructional activities. I'm going to now turn it over to Mr. Rob Rogers to speak on behalf of the improvements at Beaufort Elementary.
Hi, I'm Rob Rogers, the Beaufort Elementary principal. Currently, the drainage around our school isn't adequate to keep the front bank of classrooms dry or our playgrounds from holding excess water. By fixing the issue, students will not have to worry about walking into classrooms that are holding water or navigating pools of water on the playground. Our school will also have a new playground installed, as well as an expanded paved parking lot to accommodate those that work in and visit the school.
Hi, my name is Claire Heaton, and I'm the principal at Central Elementary. Right now, Central is the only elementary school that does not currently have a storm shelter. The addition of it will ensure that students and staff remain safe in the event of severe weather. It will also serve as a multi-purpose room throughout the year. Similar to Beaufort, Central will also have its parking lot repaved to fix both cosmetic and structural issues.
Hello, my name is Courtney Wegman, Senior Vice President with LJ Hart & Company, the district's municipal bond underwriter. Some facts that make this proposal feasible are as follows. The district has saved over $10.6 million in interest expense since 1998, made possible through prepayments of debt and refinancings to lower interest rates. The district has also experienced strong growth in assessed valuation, averaging just under 5% over the past 5 years. The combination of high interest savings along with the growth in assessed valuation are significant factors in making it possible to go forward with this proposal. After voter approval is obtained, the sale of the bonds will occur once final bids for the various projects are accepted. The bonds will then be marketed to local institutions. To provide flexibility in the future for interest savings through possible refundings or prepayments, the bonds will have short call provisions at no penalty.
Hello, my name is Devin Eads, currently a parent of 3 kids within the district. The official ballot language on Proposition Kids is displayed on your screen. The polling places will be published well in advance of the election. The last day for voters' registration is March 12, 2025. Absentee ballots can be requested through the U.S. mail through March 26, 2025, and must be received by April 8, 2025 in order to be counted. People who wish to vote absentee can also do so in the Franklin County Clerk's Office through April 7, 2025. For approval, the bond issue a 4/7 or 57.14% majority is required.
That is our presentation to provide information about the Union R11 School District bond proposal. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to call Dr. Mike Mabe, our Superintendent of Schools, or Dr. Justin Tart, our Executive Director of Human Resources, at 636-583-8626 to schedule a meeting with one of them so your questions can be answered. Thank you.